Making $100,000 on YouTube in a year is an achievable goal with the right strategy, dedication, and consistency. Your niche determines your audience and potential revenue. Choose a profitable niche with a large, engaged audience and monetization opportunities. Quality is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Invest in good equipment and post consistently, aiming for 2 to 3 videos per week. To reach $100,000, diversify your revenue streams with ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling products or services. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Catchy thumbnails and compelling titles encourage more clicks. Engagement is key to success. Respond to comments and encourage likes and shares to build a loyal community. Use YouTube analytics to understand your best performing videos. Optimize content based on watch time and audience retention. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Cross-promotion can attract new subscribers and boost earnings. Promote your content on social media and niche forums. Attract more viewers with additional marketing efforts. Consider creating exclusive content for dedicated viewers. Platforms like Patreon can allow for premium content offerings. Consistency and patience are key. Stay committed to your strategy and continue learning to reach your goal.